Hey, assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to Adam Coins channel, and today I want to talk about Sand, the metaverse project that is getting very hyped. And the first thing that I want to tell you guys in this video is take out your profits, man, and run away, because this is actually going to be bloody in the next coming few days. Because I do believe that it has had its run right there. We did have a the technical target, in my opinion, being met for Sand right now. I'm gonna take the Fibonacci retracements right from there all the way down here, and we are very overextended. We are really overextended, and it seems like we've reached the 2.272 as a level of resistance right there. So in my opinion, this can come down near the 5.8 region area, and that's where you're going to find a level of support. Okay, and at the moment it's very overextended, and I say this back to back in the channels if I dive on a 4-hour time frame, that when you see these big green candles, guys, do not buy, never ever buy. And this is the reason why I'm going to do an update very quickly, because they all come down at some point. And I do think the best buying area after 6.7 here is going to be the 1.618, which is the 4.7658. okay, and that was on a long-term Fibonacci retracement. We've already hit a level of resistance. If you want to close your trades, close it, and do not FOMO buy. I hope this video really reaches you out there very quickly, because you're going to be buying the big green candles right there. Man, this is going to dip really back down, and it's going to clean sweep your all investments, and you're going to be left worried, and it can actually consolidate for a longer period of time towards the downside. All right, so take your profits out. That's the first thing that I want to say. And there's a small technical analysis as well that I want to do, and I'm going to dive into the daily time frame here. I'm going to turn on the EMAs as well. Turning on the EMAs, you can see we are really overextended from the 10, the 20, and the 55. And I do believe this will be a nice good retracement all the way back near the 3.7 region area. It comes down just a little bit right there. Okay, so do take some profits out here, do take some profits out there. And if it starts to continue going all the way up, that's another story, because let me tell you one thing. There's one small bullish pattern right here. This is known as a 3 white soldiers, so there's a possibility of it to actually go up there, but this candle closes in the next 15 hours, so it's not a confirmed 3 white soldiers. But at the moment, I do recommend you guys to actually close your trades at the moment. And let me, okay, so let's talk about the 20 EMA. The 20 EMA seems to be at the 3.45 or the $3.7. And to me, it's so much extended that at least it should come back to the 10 and retest the 10 EMA, which is the 4.7. I already told you, this is another level of support, and another level that it makes sense for it to come a little bit down. It is already green. Let it cool down. Let it cool down. Take a small entry here. But the best buying areas for me, the best buying scenario in the future, who knows, is at least when you come a little bit down and test the 20, and the even more better buying area will be the 55 as well. Okay, so for me, Sand is absolutely overextended at the moment. I don't think that I can tell you to buy the coin. Yeah, but I'm just going to tell you all these possible scenarios, and as long as I'm going to take the Fibonacci retracements from the top there to the bottom right here, and you can already see that we're hitting the 2.618 right there. Do you see that? There is a level of resistance in this small time frame right there, which is the 2.618, $6.8. Okay, and there's one more thing that I want to talk about. If I quickly hide this Fibonacci retracement, okay, we have reached a level of resistance right here, and I don't think it's going to continue to go all the way upside. But if you actually flip the 2.618 back test it, this is going to go to the $8.7. And I do recommend you to close 50% of your money right here. If you want to close, I'm going to close all the trade all in all, okay, from top to bottom. Take my money, take my profits, and run away. But if you're looking to invest it, don't. Okay, don't. It's already overextended. Wait for for it to come and back test things, and the best entry point will be like $4.7. Okay, for me, if it goes down to $4.7, that's a really nice good entry once again. And there's something known as the hanging man on the 4-hour time frame, and here's a cheat sheet for you. Here's a small help for you to. I'm gonna hide the EMAs here, and the reason why I tell you to actually close your trades. You see, this candlestick, it closes in the next 3.5 hours, and if it closes like a hanging man like this, I'm gonna zoom in and I'm gonna tell you everything about this one. and these are bearish. These are bearish candlestick, and this indicates that the prices are gonna go down. They're gonna have the correction. And here we are. If you're new to the channel, this is the hanging man. You can see there's an uptrend right there, and then you consolidate a little bit, 1-2 green candles, the hanging man appears, then red candles come in. Look, very similar. Uptrend, consolidate a little bit, 1-2 green candles, the hanging man. Everything is right there, and this is technical analysis, and charts never lie, okay? And I'm telling you this, if this plays out like this, if it closes, it hasn't closed yet, and if it closes near 7.4, if it closes up like this, it is going to continue nearly to the $8 level, okay? So what you don't want to see for this is, you do not want to go above this level, the $7 level, okay? But if it goes to nearly 7.2 in the next 3.5 hours, listen to this very carefully. In the next 3.5 hours, if it closes above like to the 7.2, there is a chance of it to continue to go up. But for me, I don't see anything like that. We've reached level of resistance. I'm going to show you from there all the way down here. You can already see the 2.618 is a level of resistance that is playing out right there. Do you see that? It tried to even cross it, but it then failed. It is failing, and this is forming a hanging man once again. Yeah, so that's it for sand. I'm not gonna give you any financial investments right there, but this is strictly an analysis. But for me, close the trade, and from here run away. It is gonna go south. I don't think it's gonna continue to the north anymore, okay? And that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed that small update for sand right there, and I'm gonna see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.